Modern lifestyle, designed for your needs. Garden solar lamps, best for garden patio, pathways, and sidewalk. No need of electric wiring, install in 5 minutes. Hold the top cover, and turn the lamp cover counterclockwise. Turn on the switch. The light will turn on. If the light does not work, charge it 1 to 2 days under direct sunlight. Hold the top cover and turn the lamp cover clockwise. Insert the plastic round rod into the solar lamp. Remove the spine. Insert the spike into the soil. Connect the plastic round rod together with the spike. Designed to withstand rain or shine. Modern lifestyle, garden solar lamp, is now available at all leading DIY stores nationwide. It would be the best choice to make your property elegant. Please like, share, subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.